The PKey cordless rechargeable screwdriver, model CS0233, comes with 55 precision bits, a magnetic hex extension driver, a storage case, a magnetizer demagnetizer for the bits, a magnetic pad to hold parts, and a charging cord. The screwdriver has an aluminum body, a magnetic chuck, 3 LED lights, buttons to control forward and reverse, and the electric torque is 25 to 35 Newton meters, and there's a built-in clutch to help prevent damage to equipment. It can also be used manually. It has a battery status indicator and a USB-C port. The storage case has magnetic covers and the bits snap into the case. It comes with Phillips 40, 30, 20, 0, 1, and 2 bits, Torx tamper-proof 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, and 20 bits, hex 0.7, 0.9, 1.3, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 bits, Torx 2, 3, 4, and 5, spanner 2, 2.6, and 3, pentalobe 2, 5, and 6, square 0, 1, and 2, slotted 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3, tri-point 0.6, 1, 2, 2.5, and 3, and triangle 2, 2.3, 2.5, and 3.